அல்லல் போம் வல்வினை போம் அன்னை வயிற்றில் பிறந்த தொல்லை போம் ஓதாத்துயரம் போம் நல்ல குணமதிக மாமருணை கோபுரத்தில் வீற்றிருக்கும் கணபதியை கை தொழுத கால். Humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan, Sri Satya Sai Baba. Sai Ram to all of you. Sai Ganga is pleased to launch an episode in Tamil literature, Thiruvempavai, during the month of Margazhi. Margazhi is a divine month. The month is described as dawn, that is Brahma Muhurta, for Devas, the deities. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna emphasizes the importance of this month as Masanam Margasirishi, that is, among months I am Margazhi. Scientifically also, it is observed that during this month, Earth is covered by a thick layer of ozone, which improves the health of people who wake up very early and practice deep breathing. During this entire month, Hindus in India, setting apart their family functions, wake up in early hours in the morning, take bath, and circumambulate around the nearest temples singing divine songs. In Tamil Nadu, devotees used to sing 3 poetries. One is Thirupavai, composed by Andal Alvar. Thirupavai comprises of 30 songs dedicated to Lord Krishna. The other 2 are Thiruvempavai and Thirupalli Ezhuchi by Manika Vasagar. In Sai Ganga this year, we are taking the later 2 poetries since they are composed at Thiruvannamalai. Born at Thiruvadavur near Madurai, Manika Vasagar was a minister in the court of a Pandian king. Apart from his skill in Tamil literature, he was an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva. He was given the job of purchasing horses for the kingdom. However, initiated by intense devotion, Manika Vasagar spent the entire money to build an excellent temple for Lord Shiva at Avadayar Kovil, which is presently in Pudukkottai district, Tamil Nadu. When summoned by the king, Manika Vasagar took refuge into Lord Shiva. God Almighty sent horses to the king, but in the night all horses turned into foxes and ran away from the stables, causing fear and damage to the people of Madurai. Manika Vasagar was chained, made barefoot, taken to the hot sand in the dry river Vaigai, and was whipped ferociously. Manika Vasagar, bearing with all the sufferings, prayed to Lord Shiva. God made the dry river Vaigai to go in floods. Pandya king ordered people to raise the banks of the river. Lord Shiva took the form of a laborer and came to the river bank on behalf of a pious old lady. Without doing the assigned work, the laborer just wandered here and there and went to sleep. Pandya king, who came there to supervise the proceedings, saw the sleeping laborer and gave on his back a beat with a stick. The laborer being omnipresent God, everybody there, including the king, received on their back the heavy stroke of the stick. Lord Shiva disappeared and gave a voice, "This is my Leela to save Manika Vasagar." Pandya king realized, repented for his mistake, and honored Manikavasagar with golden ornaments and precious gems. Manikavasagar took renunciation as a sage and went to many Shiva temples and sang the Leelas of God, which are composed as Tiruvachagam. He came to Tiruvannamalai and wrote Tiruvampavai and Tirupalli Ezhuchi. Tiruvampavai is a composition of 20 poems. In these poems, Manikavasagar describes about a group of pious girls waking from sleep in the early hours and taking bath in a lake, enjoying the nature and divinity. All the time they sing the Leelas of Lord Shiva. The group of pious girls represent the good people in the world, that is, Satsanga in Prakriti. The lazy girl coming in this song represents our mind, which induces our body to take rest always instead of involving in good deeds. Joining the group of people, good people, that is satsang, our mind gets awareness and motivates our physique to perform sanctified activities and surrenders unto the Lord. This composition of Tiruvampavai reminds us of the saying of our beloved Bhagavan, bend the body, mend the senses and end the mind. This should be your endeavor. Let us enjoy a song daily from Tiruvampavai from December 16th, that is Margazhi 1st. Thanks to all of you from Sai Ganga. Jai Sai Ram.